Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Sahakar Group new launch project named as Sahakar Ved, located in Goregaon West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where the construction has already started. Also, you can have a look at the neighborhood of the project. And you can also see the road that leads directly to Goregaon railway station. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let me tell you that we are standing at the actual land parcel of the project. You can see this over here is the actual land parcel where the construction has already started. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.27 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 18 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. And now let's speak about the location and connectivity. This project is located off SV Road, Jawahar Nagar, Goregaon West, from where Goregaon railway station is at distance of 350 meters, D-Mart is at distance of 1.7 kilometers, and you have Bangur Nagar metro station at a distance of 1.8 kilometers from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities that will include a multipurpose hall, swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Now, let's also talk about the configurations and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 306 to 387 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 597 square feet. Now, let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Sahakar Group new launch project named as Sahakar Ved, located in Goregaon West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.